Really? That's it.
Wow. I get they're rounded and they're dead.
Yeah.
She said, you don't have to.
So if this scrubby thing won't reel up while there's been too much weight on it. And the blue down too much.
Hey, yours? It looks like it's reeled up just fine, Leah. Is that your reel? Why don't you grab one and land it? I think see what I said to you?
Look, Grayson.
Whoa! We caught another one.
No, it's Leah.
Leah. You want to touch it?
Grandma, let me through.
You want to touch it?
I'm gonna let you put it back in the water, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
This is it. You want the water?
Oh, here's my hand. Oh, that one.
I want to get it. You sure?
Where's
Alright, don't let the steps out. No, right here's the fish, honey. You just gotta get the thing out of it.
Here?
Get the metal. And then push down and then up. And then kind of rip them out.
Yeah.
Sure.
Don't swallow it good.
This one might be a cut and put a new one on. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one. All right, Grayson. Come on.
That's good.
All right, it swallowed the hook anyways. Too bad. It's not gonna be live long. Yep.
Flop himself?
What?
Did he flop?
All right, Gracie, you want to let him go?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can grab this thing. Poor little guy.
Right here. I'm sorry. I moved it. It's in the shade now. It's there. Not there.
All right, got it. All right, come on. It still might die though. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here, Grayson, here. Hurry, come here.
Hurry.
We gotta get him in the water. Oh, he's bleeding bad. All right, here, come on. Let go. Okay, you gotta hold his fins down. Got it? All right, show mom.
Just hit big circle.
All right, let's go throw it in the water. Come on. Come on, Grandma. Hurry. There.
Oh, oh, ow. It's all over.
He might belly flop in there. He might not swim for a bit because he's got to heal his blood up. All right, get him in there or put him in the water.
Just blow it.
Okay, he's gonna swim in a minute. He's gonna get better. Just let him get better.
But he's not dead anymore.
No, he's gonna swim in just a minute. He just got hurt when I pulled the thing out of him. on, buddy. You got it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Up.
It's in the rock.
Yeah, watch out. All right, let's go.
Okay. Oh my, he's getting so fast.
Making it an extra strong in the drink with an extra ounce of liquor.
Put a little more simple syrup in it if you're gonna add a little more.
Well, I put an extra half an ounce of simple syrup in it, I do. Yep. Just take it easy. Lay in the hand where it's nice and breezy. And all the night before the sun goes down, we'll be back for more. Big release.
Thank you.
It's good, but sip it.
Okay. Kyle, look at Papa.
Yep.
Trying to make loud noises.
You're doing this one to his face. You're trying to say this. You're trying to say how bad. You're trying to say noise.
You drop it
And
again.
you're trying to say
Let's
noise.
get louder than the kids. Ready? Okay. Set,
You
go.
make
High five! High five! Face bump! Face bump! Switch it up. High five! High five! High Come. Yeah.